Hey everyone, and welcome to a journey that might just change the way you see the world and yourself. Look around. We live in an age of wonders, an age where machines can think, create, and even learn. We're talking about artificial intelligence, or AI. It's exciting, it's powerful, and it's changing everything. But with great power comes great responsibility. And sometimes, with great change, comes great confusion. Have you ever felt a little lost in all this newness? Wondered how to make good choices when things are moving so fast? Or maybe you felt a tiny bit worried about what all this AI stuff means for us, for humanity, for our very souls. These are big questions, and guess what? Humans have been asking big questions about life, choices, and purpose for thousands of years. Long before computers, there were wise thinkers who found amazing answers. They were called the Stoics. Imagine walking through ancient Greece, under the warm sun. You might bump into a group of people discussing deep ideas about how to live a good life, how to be happy even when things are tough, and how to find peace inside yourself. These were the Stoics. They weren't about being emotionless robots, not at all. They were about understanding what you can control and what you can't. They were about finding inner calm amidst the chaos of the world. The first big idea from the Stoics, and it's super important for our AI age, is understanding your circle of control. Think about it. Can you control what the AI says on the news? Can you control what a new AI program does? No, not really. But you can control how you react to it. You can control your thoughts about it. You can control your choices in how you use it. This simple idea is a superpower. When we focus on what we can control, we stop wasting energy on what we can't. We become calmer, more focused, and much more powerful. Another core Stoic wisdom is to know thyself. What does that mean in the age of AI? It means understanding your values, your principles, what you believe is right and wrong. AI can process mountains of information, but it doesn't feel. It doesn't have a conscience. You do. So, when AI presents a choice, or a dilemma, you need to look inward. Ask yourself, does this align with my true self? Does this serve my purpose? This isn't about being perfect, it's about being real with yourself. It's about remembering your own unique human spirit, your own compass. The world is always changing, and AI is speeding up that change like never before. The Stoics knew this deep truth: everything is temporary. This doesn't mean we should be sad, it means we should appreciate the present moment and be ready to adapt. When AI brings new challenges, or even replaces old ways of doing things, don't fight it with fear. Instead, embrace it with curiosity and courage. See it as an opportunity to learn, to grow, to find new ways to use your amazing human skills. This adaptability isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving. It's about becoming more flexible, more resilient, like a strong tree bending in the wind, not breaking. For the Stoics, the most important thing wasn't money, or fame, or even pleasure. It was virtue. What's virtue? It's about being a good person. It's about being wise, courageous, fair, and having self-control. In the AI age, where decisions can have massive impacts, focusing on virtue becomes even more critical. When you're faced with an ethical dilemma, perhaps an AI system that could be used for good or ill, what do you do? The
No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the
Let's dive into the revolutionary ideas of Dr. Maxwell Maltz and his groundbreaking It's about seizing an incredible opportunity. An opportunity to demonstrate the enduring power of the human spirit. An opportunity to transform your own life, and in doing so, to inspire others. To be a beacon of light, guiding yourself and those around you through the wonders and challenges of the AI age. So, take a deep breath. Feel that inner strength. You are ready. You are capable. You are human, and that is your greatest power. If this message resonated with you, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe to the channel for more wisdom for a meaningful life. Let's build a future where humanity thrives, guided by wisdom, courage, and compassion. Thank you for being here, and remember, the power is within you.